Welcome. Today we are exploring a powerful new application of technology, using AI computer vision to tackle critical infrastructure issues in villages. Villages around the world often face significant challenges maintaining essential infrastructure, impacting daily life and development. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video for more content from Abdul Hadi AI World. Common issues include damaged roads, leaking water pipes, and faulty power infrastructure. These problems need swift and accurate attention. Traditional infrastructure inspection is typically slow, relies heavily on manual labor, and can be resource-intensive, often delaying necessary repairs. The solution lies in deploying modern technology, AI computer vision, making inspections faster, cheaper, and far more accurate. AI-equipped cameras, often mounted on drones, capture high-resolution images and video of infrastructure, even in hard-to-reach areas. This data is processed in real time by AI algorithms to automatically identify and categorize defects, transforming raw images into actionable insights. Let's look at the key applications and benefits this technology brings to village infrastructure management. I can quickly identify road cracks and erosion, allowing authorities to schedule proactive maintenance before major damage occurs. It detects faults in power lines, structural issues in water towers, or even subtle signs of underground water leaks, saving valuable resources. By instantly locating and prioritizing issues, AI enables faster repair mobilization and optimized resource allocation for local governments. Imagine the real-world impact through a successful deployment scenario. The workflow is seamless, from drone data capture to AI analysis, and finally, generating an automated repair ticket sent directly to the maintenance team. The result is dramatically improved efficiency, reduced manual labor costs, and long-term savings by preventing catastrophic failures. Looking ahead, this technology holds immense promise for global village development. AI computer vision is key to creating more sustainable, resilient, and better managed village infrastructure globally. To scale this technology, we need continued investment in development, local training programs, and supportive government policies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and join us next time for more on AI and technology.